Hello everyone. Today in our grammar lesson, we will be looking at the be verb in the future tense and to the future continuous tense. Before we start on our lesson, let us have a quick look at the verb be. This we have already done in our previous lessons when we were looking at the verb be in the present and the past tenses. So, the verb be are used on their own as linking verbs or with other action verbs as auxiliary verb. The be verb, they do not describe an action. They are used to tell the tense when something happened, and they are used to ask questions. So this is how we use the verb be in the present and the past tense. I am busy now. I was busy yesterday. You are busy now. You were busy yesterday. He, she, it is busy now. He, she, it was busy yesterday. We are busy now. We were busy yesterday. You are busy now. You were busy yesterday. They are busy now. They were busy yesterday. So in all these sentences, the verb be has been used as am, was, are, is, or were. These are the different forms of the verb be. Here, the verb be has been used as a linking word. It is linking I with busy now. I am busy now. This is our objective today. We will be able to use the verb be in future tense, future continuous tense, and to ask questions. What is a future tense? A future tense is something that will happen later. We have also learned that we add a will or a shall before an action verb to make it a future tense. For example, I shall sleep, you will study, she will play. Here, the action verbs are sleep, study, and play. And we add a shall or a will in front of the action verb to make it a future tense. We will do the same to the be verb in the future tense. So how does the sentence look in the future tense? We are looking at the same example. I am busy. I was busy. In the future it will be I shall be busy. You are busy. You were busy. You will be busy. He is busy. He was busy. He will be busy. You are busy. You were busy. You shall be busy. You are busy. You were busy. You will be busy. They are busy. They were busy. They will be busy. So, how does the person verb table look in the future tense? For the verb be, in the first person, I shall be. Second person singular, you will be. Third person singular, he will be, she will be, it will be. First person plural, we shall be. Second person plural, you will be. Third person plural, they will be. What we also discussed yesterday is that using will in the first person is also correct. But it is a good English to use shall for first person singular and first person plural. Try to use shall for first persons. Next, we will see how we ask questions using the be verb. We have already done it for the present tense and the past tense. I am busy. Am I busy? So the question starts with the be verb. You are busy. Are you busy? He is busy. Is he busy? I was busy. Was I busy? They were busy. Were they busy? Next, we will see how to ask questions using the be verb in the future tense. The sentences we will be looking at are I shall be busy, you will be busy, he will be busy, we shall be busy, they will be busy. Where are the verbs here? Yes, you are right. Shall be and will be are the verbs in these sentences. And how do we make them into questions? In the future tense, the question starts with the will or the shall. So let us take a look at how the questions appear. I shall be busy. Shall I be busy? You will be busy. Will you be busy? He will be busy. Will he be busy? We shall be busy. Shall we be busy? They will be busy. Will they be busy? This is how the questions look in the future tense when we are using the be verb. Next, we will see how the be verb is used in the future continuous tense. But before we do that, we will quickly go through the present and the past continuous tense. So what is the present continuous tense? A present continuous tense tells us that an action is still happening. It is continuing now. Present continuous tense uses the verb be in the present tense, followed by the action verb, followed by the ing, which is added to the action verb. So for example, I am walking, you are eating, he is running. So the action verbs here are walk, eat, and run. We have added an ing to this action verb. And what are the be verbs? Am, are, and is. The past continuous tense, it tells us that an action was still happening when something else happened. It uses the be verb in the past tense followed by the action verb and an ing is added to the action verb at the end. Examples: I was walking when I saw the snake. You were eating when we arrived. He was running when he fell down. Here, the action verbs are walk, eat, and run, to which we have added the ing. Also, was, were, and was are the be verb in the past tense. So what will happen in the future continuous tense? A future continuous tense tells us that an action will still be happening in the future. It uses the shall or the will followed by the be verb followed by the action verb, and we add an ing at the end of the action verb. Let us look at some examples. I shall be walking at that time. You will be eating at lunchtime. He will be running if he sees a snake. So, what do we see here? First, we see that a shall or a will has been added before the be verb. Shall be, or will be in the three sentences. This is followed by the action verb walk, eat, and run. And then finally, we add an ing. Take a good look at these examples. You can pause the video for a few minutes to understand how we are writing a sentence in future continuous tense. That is the end of the lesson. You will have to give a test, the link of which I will send you in the WhatsApp messenger or in the chat.